What's up, YouTubers? Here with a 2012 Toyota Yaris, and I'm going to very quickly show you what to do if you're looking for your jack or you need to lift up your car. So first thing you want to do is open up your car. First thing, open up your driver's side door, put your seat all the way forward. Right over here under the seat you have a little handle. You just want to pull it up, put the seat forward, take this, put it all forward, and then you can come back right behind here, and behind the seat what you'll be able to see is this right behind the driver's seat. Okay, when you're back here under the seat, you'll see this right over here. What you want to do is take your fingers, see these tabs from the left and the right side. What you'll be able to do is remove that cover. See, just squeeze those tabs. Okay, then you'll be able to see the jack under the car. This is the jack right over here. And what you want to do is, in order to remove the jack, you can go ahead and unscrew it right over here. As you can see, just unscrew it one way or the other way in order to get it out of the car. So if I pull it back towards me this way, it unscrews it and I can remove it, and to screw it back in, I screw it the other way. So that way I can firmly keep it in the car. Alright, so that's where you can find your jack, and that's how you remove your jack. Alright, as you can see, there's your jack. Once you're done, just go ahead and put the cover back. That you need one more component for the jack. The other component that you need is going to be make sure that you have the tool in order to spin the back part of your jack. So what you're going to want to do is come over, open up your trunk area. You have a button right over here underneath to pop the trunk area, and just going to come over, lift this up as such. So once you open that, you could just unscrew this right over here as such by twisting it this way in order to remove that screw so that you can get the tire out. Also, what you'll find right over here on the left side, sometimes you'll have a toolkit in certain cars which will have the toolkit necessary in order to take the lug nuts off. Also, this is where you'll find the tool necessary. Just take this out in order to spin your jack. Okay, that goes in the end left corner, which you use to remove the jack from under the seat. All right, show you in my car where my jack points are. All right, I have basically one there and one here. All right, that's on my car. Make sure to reference your owner's manual to see where your jack points are. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.